So today I'm changing the air filter on my Yamaha Virago 1100. For that you will need a filter, and I'm using the Virago air filter specifically for the Yamaha Virago, a wrench, an Allen key and also a screwdriver. First you unscrew those two bolts, one in the front of the air filter with the Allen key and the one in the back with the wrench. And then to the front, in behind the air filter box, you have this air filter hose. And here you take the screwdriver and loosen this clamp a bit, and then just pull the air filter box out. On the back side of the air filter box you have 4 screws to undo. I'm also wiping out the inside of this air hose, and then unscrew this small screw here holding the air filter and take the old air filter out. And I'm also cleaning and wiping out from this side. Also check this rubber seal around the air filter box so they aren't torn or damaged in any way. And then take out the new air filter and attach it with the screw. Reattach the 4 screws on the back side and then fit the air filter box back and tighten the hose clamp. And then the 2 bolts holding the air filter box. And yeah, all done.